Hello friends, I already passed a few months, but it's okay. I work right now with a tachometer, speedometer and another compartment. On one video I say it's my RPM, it's a little bit high, and one guy make a comment and say I have a 2000 RPM on per minute. I put a special tape on the engine and use this tachometer for check what RPM I have it. I interested this guy say correct or not correct. I not turn it engine, not change something on the engine. Right now I start engine and check. And you see I have a 1250, 1228. For this tachometer work correct, first need to connect its wire. It's blue cable go to gray, black to black, and red connect with a purple. Blue on gray, black on black, and red on purple. And yellow it's separate, it's for light. When you start engine, it shows some RPM. When I starting, my engine have 100 250. It shows first line, it's 200 RPM. This is a black button. It's work for change color on tachometer and for change RPM, for correct RPM. When you start engine, right now I make imitation but not start engine. When you start, it's have a lights. Hold this button for this sign H and some numbers. For this bot need H minus 004.0. It's for correct RPM. When you hold and the sign out, release and put again and start change this numbers when you hold this button. When these numbers go not correct side, it's go on a plus, you need to make minus, just release and put again and hold, and your number side go to minus. When you make correct RPM for this engine, carburetor engine, need 4.0. When you have another engine, use a tachometer for check your RPM and correct your tachometer. I use this tachometer for make correction. Use this tachometer with a hand and correct on a board RPM. Right now put tachometer on his place and start work with wire for extra speakers. I have two speakers and I put his near engine under seats. Thank you for watch. Write comments, subscribe. See you again on the YouTube.